In the quiet corner of her grandmother's attic, Clara unearthed a linen hoop swaddled in faded velvet. Unfolding it, she revealed an unfinished embroidery, a half-stitched cottage garden, petals suspended in time. Nana's hands had last touched this fabric years ago, their tremor captured in the uneven satin stitches of a crimson rose. Clara had always preferred the rush of her city life to the slow dance of needle and thread. Yet, grief had a way of rewiring hearts. She settled into Nana's rocking chair, the cedar scent lingering, and vowed to finish what remained. Days blurred into nights as she wrestled with finicky French knots and split stitches. Her fingers pricked and rebellious. The cottage emerged stitch by stitch. Lavender sprigs, Nana's favorite. A cherrywood door, chipped, just like the real one. And a sky woven in indigo chain stitches. One evening, as she anchored the final thread, a golden sunburst. The fabric puckered oddly near the garden gate. Beneath the backing, a slip of rice paper fluttered free. "My dearest Clara," the note began, in Nana's looping script. "A garden is never finished. It grows, changes, and so do we. But every stitch is a moment loved. Keep blooming, wild and bright." Tears smudged the ink as Clara framed the embroidery beside Nana's portrait. The cottage garden, once frozen, now thrived, a testament to patience, memory, and the invisible threads that bind them. When visitors admired it, Clara smiled. "It's not just embroidery," she'd say. "It's a conversation across time." And in the flicker of the attic lamp, the roses seemed to sway.